All right, today I'm going to show you how to make a ramen noodles chicken seasoning exfoliating scrub. The first thing you're going to need is some packets of the chicken flavoring seasoning from your ramen noodles, and you're going to empty it. Here I have quite a few packs of chicken seasoning scrub in here. All right, so I have the chicken seasoning in there. I have maybe about 4 or 5 packets in there. What you're going to do next is put a little bit of olive oil. Now the olive oil will allow your skin to be moisturized and allow the chicken flavoration to permeate your skin and exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. After I added only 1 tablespoon of oil. Let me add another tablespoon of oil in there. Important right here for this type of exfoliation. And then I'm going to add some water. And then I'm going to mix it until it's a nice paste. Okay, mix it until it's a nice paste right here. Look at that. Probably add a little bit too much water, but it's okay. The scrub will still work. Just going to put it on, mix it in right here. You'll smell the chicken aroma. You smell the chicken aroma. Once it's mixed pretty well, just take some. I needed it to be thicker, but this will work. And just apply it on your skin like this. And you're gonna let this right here sit in your skin, maybe rub it in a little bit, exfoliate some of the dead skin cells, get them off, nice skin cells off. You'll smell the chicken flavor. And then once you exfoliate with this, you're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Now, if you have chicken allergies, I suggest you not use this because, if you don't want allergies from the chicken, you shouldn't use this. So you're just gonna keep on scrubbing like this and let it sit for a few minutes just on your hands, and then rinse it off and your skin will be feeling fresh, new, and rejuvenated. Let me know if you have any questions. This also works for beef flavoring, chicken ramen noodles, beef flavored ramen noodles. So, and also the vegetable flavored ramen noodles, it actually works pretty well too. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Use it on your hands. Now, if you have any allergies, I suggest you not do this. Thanks a lot for watching.